Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. A representative of Romelda Aikens had communicated to Netball Jamaica in August that she was not interested in playing the Fast 5 series for Jamaica and also declined a request to play in the series against New Zealand in September. This contradicts statements made by Aikens last week. Here's the latest. Romelda Aikens last played for Jamaica the World Cup in Sydney last year, but when she and other senior players were not named to the national squad for an important tour away to New Zealand in September, it sparked debate. Netball Jamaica had originally said she did not make herself available. Then last week, the 27-year-old Aikens told our sports department she was injured and therefore made herself unavailable for the New Zealand series.
The reason why I didn't go to Fast 5 was because I didn't get selected to go and play.
But our sports department has since received information which has contradicted Aikens' account. It's in the form of a conversation via email between Aikens' representative Richard McInnes and Netball Jamaica president Dr. Paula Daly Morris. It appears Netball Jamaica had written to inquire in August about Aikens' availability for the New Zealand tour in September. This email thread, entitled Aikens' Request, begins with a response from the Netball Jamaica president Richard McInnes on Thursday, August 18. Daly Morris wrote, "We are sure that the suggestion to pay her $700 per week plus $80 per diem during national duties would be worthwhile, as she has done us very proud over the years, and we would wish to facilitate her in any way possible. However, our current financial reality makes it impossible to afford the stipulated amounts for the longer tours. However, it is important for Romelda to remain a part of Jamaica's team and to work with her teammates at least once per year. I am therefore suggesting that she considers Fast 5 as it is being held in Melbourne and it's over a weekend." To that, Aikens' representative replied on August 21. "The amount we are suggesting is less than half of what Romelda earns here for playing, but is simply enough to cover her rent, which she would need to continue to pay while away from Australia, and her loss of work income from her coaching job, so we felt this was more than reasonable for a player of her quality." McInnes also added that at this stage of Romelda's career, she did not have any interest in playing Fast 5, so she respectfully declined that offer, although Aikens told us last week she was not selected. Then on August 24, Daly Morris wrote, "Let's see how best we can sort this matter out in a way that is mutually acceptable. We will pay Romelda's rent for the period of the New Zealand tour, September 5 to 18th, then the US $700 per week for 2 weeks, which totals US $1,400. But McInnes replied that he had discussed it with Romelda, and after the initial rejection of her offer, she did not feel she wanted to represent Jamaica this year. Dr. Daly Morris then responded on August 25, "I am sorry that she views our harsh financial realities as rejection. Since I will not have the opportunity to talk to Romelda in person, please explain to her that we were only able to consider covering her rent because we received our cost share from the World Championship recently. She knows we are a struggling organization with no income, and so we are unable to do unplanned spending." The final email came from McInnes, where he said he understood the difficult position the Netball Jamaica president was in. Of course, Aikens did not go to the Fast 5, and the team had their worst finish, 5th.